In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a highlight to your profile without any names on it. Let's say I open my Instagram, head over to my profile, and I want to add a new highlight. And I'm going to choose something from my archived stories, tap next, and here, as you can see, if I don't type anything and tap add, it will say highlights under that highlight on my profile. Also, if I just tap space and tap add again, it will say highlights. So that doesn't work. What can we do? What we can do is leaving Instagram, heading over to Chrome, and type blank character, and you're going to go to this website. Here, this is our blank character, and you want to hold and copy, go back to your Instagram, paste, and then you want to tap add. And when you refresh, just like that, I added a new highlight with no name. Hope that helps. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any more questions like this.